guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys step 1 of how to install your Graco's car seat in your car. So if you are interested in knowing how to do that, then keep watching. And before we head on with this video, if you are new here, welcome. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure to do that right now before we head on with this video. Alright guys, so let's get to it. I already purchased this car seat a long time ago, but I only have it in my car. So my boyfriend got a new car, so that's why I purchased the same one. Plus, it's #1 best car seat that was sold in America, so that's why I trust this one the most. I also wanted to say that I'm also going to install this little mirror, and I'm also going to install the nap up. I have the exact same one in my car for Giselle, and I absolutely love it. I have done a video of how to install the nap up, so if you're interested in watching that one, go ahead and watch it after this video. The link is right here on top of me. And yeah, so I'm super excited because he's finally gonna have this car seat in his car. So we're gonna start unboxing the car seat right now, and I'm gonna install the nap up here, and then we're going to go to the car and I'm gonna show you guys how to install it over there. Alright guys, so let's get started. Underneath it says right and left, so you want to make sure you see these two. Alright guys, so I totally forgot to put the nap up inside the house. I'm gonna do it real quick right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys a few things before we put it in the car seat. So let me do this real quick. Alright guys, so my nap up is installed. So I don't know if you saw me do this, but I lifted this piece up because right now I'm guesstimating how tall my daughter is, but I have to put this a little bit more down. But basically this has to be at the shoulder, so it has to be like between the neck and the shoulder. So you want to make sure that you adjust this piece accordingly to your child. Also, what I wanted to show you guys is this piece that's right under the seat. If you press it, you will be able to loosen this up. And if you want to make the straps tighter, then all you have to do is grab this right here and pull it. That's a big thing that you want to know how to do. If you don't know how to do this piece, then you can't put your child in the car seat. So first you want to put your front seat pretty forward so that you're able to have enough space to install your car seat. So the next step is that we're going to have to adjust this car seat so that this bubble right here is going to be at least on the blue line over here. So let's do that. For you to be able to adjust your seat, you have a button right here where it says recline, and you want to pull it forward. And then you want to make sure when you put your car seat like this, the bubble is on the line, and over here it is, so that's perfect. So basically right here under the front of the car seat there is these little clips, and you want to undo it. It's a little hard with one hand, and it's supposed to look like this. Right here you see it's called ISOFIX, and that is for you to clip this piece. So you want to take this off and you want to click this on it right there. And then you want to tighten this as much as you can for now. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So again, right here, we want to make sure that the bubble is on the blue line. The same thing on this side. Clip this right here. So now what we want to do is to make sure that the car seat is nice and tight, and to pull this as much as you can, and to make sure that everything is nice and safe. Alright guys, so I think everything is installed. Alright guys, so I think everything is perfectly installed. We have the nap up, we have the bubble on the blue line, the car seat is not moving, it's stable, and the mirror is installed. So we are all set to go. Whew, I'm so glad to be back in the AC. It's super hot outside. But anyways guys, I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to like, share, comment down below, and guys, don't forget to subscribe